Hey, I don't do your credit for you, but what I do is I help you shake hands with your destiny. So you probably just like I was. You're looking at your friends and family and others purchase their dream homes, purchase their dream cars, start businesses, making passive income, $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month in some cases, and you're wondering to yourself, how in the world do I get there? When is it my turn? When do I shake hands with my destiny? Well, I'm here to tell you I've been there, I've done that. But it wasn't until I learned 5 steps, y'all, that changed everything. See, I understand how it feels to have your credit start with a 5. I understand how it feels to be living check to check and one hardship away from breaking point. I understand how it feels to have a home foreclosed on. I get it, been there. But let me tell you about these 5 steps. Within 6 months, y'all, I was able to, 1, attain credit, okay? 2, I was able to purchase my home. 3, I was able to start a business within 6 months, y'all, and jump that credit score 200 plus points and ultimately get financial freedom, okay, in my life. But the beautiful thing is, these 5 steps didn't just work for myself, they work for other people as well. So maybe you like Desiree. Well, Desiree went through our steps and went through the community. And what happened with her? She was able to do her first investment property and flip that home and make over $20,000 within a matter of weeks. Maybe you like Nick and Dewana that went through our steps, and what did they attain? They was able to purchase a food truck and start their family business. Or maybe you like Greg and Greg said, you know what? I just want to increase my credit score, and his credit score jumped 100 plus points within 30 days. Or maybe you like Fred, and Fred said, you know what, I just want to leverage my credit, and he leveraged his credit and was able to start a trucking business where now he makes 5 figures every month while still on his day job. Or maybe you like Michelle, and Michelle says, you know what, I want to get some business credit, and after one Zoom call was able to obtain business credit. Or maybe you like Carlissa, a college student, was able to get $25,000 on her very first credit card after following our steps. So listen, y'all, this is the most valued financial literacy community in the industry, y'all. Of course, in this community, you're going to learn the credit game. If you don't understand the game, how in the world can you play it? So of course, we're going to help you with credit restoration and taking you from your current situation to your destiny and getting that 700 plus credit score. Of course, we're going to show you, 1, how to start that business from A to Z and how to structure that business so you can set yourself up for funding, because we're going to give you a blueprint and all of the data points so you can then start that business and get funding on the personal and the business side up to $200,000 in funding. You think we're going to stop there? Absolutely not. We're going to help you with passive income strategies. So maybe it's you want to sell digital products. Maybe you want to start a trucking company like Fred. Maybe you want to start real estate investments, mobile home investments. Guess what? All of that's within our community and a whole lot more. And not only that, you get to get with me every single week on a Zoom call where I show you the newest tricks and hacks that's going on and different strategies to help add value every single week. And you get to ask Q&A, you get to DM me, DM, and communicate within the community. So what I want to do without further ado is show you the actual community. Come on in with me. So come on into the community, y'all. This is what I absolutely love about this community. So the very first thing here, as of course, this is a very new community here, so that we're just launching here. But in the community, this is where you'll go in, you'll ask general questions, you'll ask personal questions, business questions, share your wins, share your testimonials, get all your call recordings will be there. So even if you miss a weekly call, no problem. You can always go back and listen to the recording as well. You want to drop a new gem that you might learn. So this is not just about me. This is a community where we actually learn from each other. Okay. So that's the beautiful thing with this. It's very interactive. And guess what? The more interactive that you are within this community, you move up what we call a leaderboard. So right here, you have a leaderboard. So the more comments that you comment on, you get points. The more times you like someone else's points, you get the more times someone likes your post, you get points. So guess what? If you're at the top of the leaderboard at the end of that month, for every 30 days, I'm going to make your membership free. Okay, so this can be a free membership the more interactive that you are. Okay, so the next thing here, you can go to the calendar and you can always look and see what we have up and coming for that particular week, what we're going to be teaching on that particular week, such as this month may be credit restoration, or later on this month we're going to have how to leverage your credit with AI. Another month may be passive income strategies. Another month may be business funding. So every single month we're going to be doing something different. Okay, so you can always go and look at the calendar. Next is our classroom. This is where we host all of the material. Okay, so no matter where you are, if you say, you know what, I'm starting from scratch, you can start here. No matter where you are, as you can see here, everything is going to have a video and a clickable link. No matter if it's updating information, it's going to have a video and a clickable link. And the beautiful thing about this, it has a progression, so it tells you where you are in your progress as you complete done on each course. So it tells you once you completed that particular course. Okay, as you can see, it's a course on boosting your credit fast, credit restoration. So no matter where you are on credit restoration, it's going to be listed right here. No matter if it's a repossession, student loan, medical collection, cash for delete, how to dispute to the creditors, it's all there. And if you click on there, it's going to tell you step by step, round by round. And if I click here, as you can see, there's a video. If I click on round 2, there's a video. Okay, if I go back up, maybe you say, Corey, you know what, everything is okay, I just need to remove that bankruptcy. I have a bankruptcy mastery course that gives you step by step, video by video. And here's the beautiful thing, in that video, it literally tells you and gives you the link. So once you click on the link here, it has edible letters. The only thing you have to do is click here and put your information where it's highlighted. Okay, the next thing here, maybe you say, Corey, my personal credit is already good, I just want to learn how to start that business. No problem. You can go here to start that business. It's going to give you a full video. As you can see, it's 2 hours long, but you can structure your business from A to Z, how to structure your business. It gives you step by step with all of the clickable links. Or business credit reporting to agencies. It shows you how to report to Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, Equifax. And then after that, it shows you how to get funding for your Net 30 accounts, your revolving credit cards, your gas cards, how to even purchase a vehicle in your business name. That's in there. Okay. Or maybe you say, you know what, Corey, I'm okay with that. I want to figure out how to get business funding. No problem. Guess what? I put in here some banks, for example, Key Bank. It's going to tell you all of the data points that you particularly need to get approved with Key Bank, such as what your credit score needs to be, how much will they give. This is a company that allows you to have 0 to 2 years, so it's okay for new businesses. What credit bureaus they pull from. I'm giving you all of the data points, no matter what that bank particularly is. So if it's American Express, I'm going to give you the information there. Okay. If you want 0% credit cards, I give you 0% credit cards over a ton of those. Okay, if you want to figure out business loans and business lines of credit, it's all there as well. Commercial auto, if you want to purchase commercial auto, it's all there. Okay, so everything regarding business funding, it's all there. Or maybe you say, Corey, I'm interested in those passive income strategies. No problem. Let's see, it might be a trucking company you want to start. Guess what? We have a video here with someone that has 36, I believe it's 36 18-wheelers that tells you step by step, and I've given you all of the steps in how to start a trucking business from A to Z. Or maybe your person says, you know what, how do you do those? Create those ebooks. Here it is here. Or digital products, how you when you sleep. Or maybe it's real estate investing. I want to learn how to do real estate investing, so I give you step by step on that. And some of these things are still coming soon, so as we grow week by week, we'll be adding some of this to the community as well. Or maybe you say, hey Corey, give me some of that bonus material that you got. No problem. You purchasing your first home, you can literally go through our homeowners course and go step by step on how to purchase a home, the type of mortgages are, what your debt to income ratio needs to be. Okay, I had a realtor say, Corey, this is an amazing course. My people need to go through this. Okay, or maybe you got bonuses like strategies on how not to pay interest anymore. So on how to purchase a vehicle without ever having to get a car loan again. So we give you those. How to get a HELOC within 30 minutes. So all types of tips are here. As you can see, you just go through the particular category, or maybe you're a reader, so you just go over here to my ebooks and my guides, and you go to the personal credit book, you go to business ebook. All of my ebooks are inclusive in the course, so you got plenty of books here. What am I saying, y'all? Again, I believe this is the most valued financial literacy community in the industry, y'all. So come on in. I'll see you on the other side in the community. Why am I doing this, y'all? Because I only shake hands with my destiny if you shake hands with your destiny. Let's get it. Let's go.